To apply Waxperts First Mate Strip Wax. First of all, taking your Waxperts cleanser, using a damp cotton pad, you can cleanse and prep the skin. The consistency is quite fluid-like of the Waxperts First Mate Strip Wax. So taking some Waxperts First Mate Strip Wax from your pot, holding your spatula at a 45-degree angle, using firm pressure, apply in one fluid motion. Taking your paper strip, you can press this onto the wax patch, adhering the hairs to the wax in the strip to remove. You can see here that the wax isn't sticky, it doesn't leave a sticky residue, it's really nice to work with. To finish the treatment, apply some Waxperts after wax oil to the area to soothe and calm the area after the waxing treatment. You can dab off any excess with a tissue if needed.